Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore one of the most commonly asked questions in Angular charting: how to change the legend marker stroke color in Apex Chart. If you're working on an Angular project and using Apex Charts to visualize your data, you know how important it is to customize the look and feel of your charts to match your application's theme. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Apex Charts and provide a step-by-step guide on how to modify the legend marker stroke color. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding how to customize Apex Charts can take your data visualization skills to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the concepts involved and be able to apply them to your own projects. To change the legend marker stroke color in Apex Charts, we need to understand the different components that make up an Apex chart. An Apex chart consists of several elements, including the chart area, axes, series, and legend. The legend is a crucial part of any chart, as it provides context to the data being displayed. To modify the legend marker stroke color, we'll focus on the legend component. In Apex Charts, the legend is customizable, allowing you to change various aspects, such as its position, font size, and color. To access these customization options, we need to use the legend property in our chart configuration object. Let's break down the steps involved. Firstly, we'll create a basic Apex chart with some sample data. We'll then access the legend component using the legend property and start customizing its appearance. One of the key properties within the legend object is the marker stroke color property. This property allows us to change the stroke color of the legend markers. However, simply setting the marker stroke color property might not work as expected. We need to understand that Apex Charts uses a combination of colors for its legends, which can include both fill and stroke color. To successfully modify the stroke color, we might also need to adjust the fill color or other related properties. To make things clearer, let's use an analogy. Think of customizing an Apex chart as painting a picture. Just like how you would choose different brushstrokes and colors to create a masterpiece, you need to select the right combination of properties and values to achieve your desired chart appearance. So, what are the essential takeaways from today's video? Here are the key points to remember. To change the legend marker stroke color in Apex Charts, use the legend property and access the marker stroke color property. Understand that customizing an Apex chart involves a combination of properties and values. Experiment with different options to achieve your desired appearance. All noise tune and wages fly. Don't forget to adjust related properties such as fill colors to ensure your changes take effect. That's it for today's video on changing the legend marker stroke color in Apex Charts. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to customize this aspect of your charts. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more Angular and charting related content. We'll catch you in the next video.